Hello Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. May magbabalik ba, Libra? Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Libra. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin ano yung mga energies and messages for Libra from the Romance and Love Oracle. Strong energies and messages for Libra, please. Romance and love. Okay. Merong alone time. Spend some time alone. It will help you gain clarity on your relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, merong pinagdadaanan. You need alone time para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos. Okay? Surprise. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Merong voids. Avoid rushing to fill voids with love. Seek inner fulfillment first. Okay, so be aware of that. Do not rush things, Libra. Pag-isipan ng mabuti. Seek inner fulfillment first. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Libra. Your person feels na meron kang tinatago, okay? You are sneaking or meron kang iniiwasan. You think that your person is lonely, okay? Parang nalulungkot ang inyong person. Yung iba sa inyo, feeling ng partner or ng person ninyo ay nag-iisa lang siya sa relationship. Yeah, your person feels na meron kang sikreto. Okay, may tinatago ka na ikaw lang nakakaalam. Nadi-disappoint, merong sadness sa inyong person. Yeah. But despite of that, pinapakita sa inyo ng person nyo na he or she is strong and brave. Okay? Financially or creative wise, magaling ang inyong person, successful siya sa kanyang ginagawa. Okay? Kung meron man siyang issues or problema sa inyong relationship, parang kinakaya niya. Dahil strong siya and brave, pinapakita niya sa inyo na okay siya, but deep inside, nalulungkot. Yeah. Namimiss ka ng person ninyo, Libra. Okay. For some of you, you might be dealing with a fire sign, a Leo, okay, or Aries. Yeah. Parang gusto mo makipagkita sa inyong person. Maybe hindi kayo magkasama or magkalayo kayo. Meron kayong gustong i-discuss sa inyong person, okay? May i-communicate kayo sa kanya. Yeah. Kung may mga unhealthy habits or yung patterns sa inyong relationship, kailangan i-end yan. Okay? Kailangan mag-transform, kailangan ng pagbabago sa inyong relationship. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng necessary na changes sa inyong relasyon. Okay. Okay. Meron kayong merong malalaman na information, okay? May marireveal na information or na sekreto. Magkakaroon ng clarification sa sitwasyon. You were guided for this, Libra. Okay, take what resonates. Pwedeng vice versa to, okay? Kailangan ng conversation, pag-uusap. Kasi parang hindi malinaw, may kailangang linawin, Libra, sa inyong situation. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Forgiveness is needed kung meron mang may mare-reveal na information, okay, or secrets. You feel na yung person nyo hindi dapat mag-isip din ng negative about you. Sana hindi ka ma-judge ng person mo. Okay? That's how you feel. You're hoping for that, Libra. Okay? Yeah, Three of Swords. Yeah. Merong third party na nangyayari, okay? Na nagkukos ng loneliness, sadness, and frustration, disappointment sa inyong person, okay? You feel guilty about this. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Pakiramdam ng person mo parang nag-iisa siya sa relationship. Okay? Nasa relasyon nga siya pero parang siya lang yung mag-isa. He or she feels lonely. Okay? Parang kailangan niya ng karamay. Gusto kanyang kausapin. Okay? Pero it is his or her choice na wag muna mag-communicate para nag-hold back siya ng kanyang emosyon. May pinagdadaanan siya, Libra. But despite of that, strong ang person ninyo, pinapakita niya na he or she is okay. He or she is working para sa stability niya, financially, okay, and professionally. Yeah. Gusto mong makipag-ayos or gusto mong maging successful ang inyong relasyon. Okay? You are working on yourself as well sa trabaho mo. Okay? You want to commit also to your person. This is what you want. Parang gusto mong maging protector and provider din ng person mo. Pero hindi to nararamdaman or hindi masyado ramdam ng person nyo. Okay? Because maybe you are the type of person na parang secretive. Parang ang dami mong ganap, marami kang ginagawa. And your person may not be aware of this, Libra. Ayan. Parang kailangan nyo magkita, okay? Kailangan nyo pag-usapan kung ano yung nagpapahirap sa inyong dalawa. Maybe the distance, yun yung nagpapahirap, yun yung isa sa mga difficulties sa inyong relationship. Walang open communication. Okay. Someone is guilty of secrets, of hidden information, guilty dahil nasaktan niya ang person niya, okay? Parang exhausted na rin yung person ninyo. Kailangan ng renewal ng inyong pagsasama, ng inyong relationship, okay? Yeah. Oh. For some of you, yung person from the past bumabalik, okay? And ito yung nagiging challenge, ito yung nagiging problema. Maybe you, mayroon kang ulit communication sa inyong ex. Okay? Yun yung nagkukos ng drama. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, pinag-iisipan nyo pa kung kailangan ba i-end ang relationship. Okay? You are torn between two person, Libra. Or yung iba sa inyo, this is the other way around. Take what resonates. Maybe yung person nyo na to, okay? Parang nagdadalawang isip siya ngayon sa inyong relasyon. Merong insecurities, okay? Iniisip niya kung ipapatuloy niya pa ba ang relasyon, okay? Or kung mas maganda i-end na lang. Okay? This is not for all of you, no? Take what resonates lang, Libra. But these are the messages na nakukuha ko. Ito yung mga energies. May mga kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? Masisinang pag-uusap ang kailangan, Libra. May kailangan pag-decisionan at the end sa inyong relationship. Yeah. Yeah. Worth it ba na ipagpatuloy pa ang relationship kasi parang stagnant? Parang hindi siya nag-move forward, okay? Parang meron kang natatanggap na clarity or it is or ito yung person mo, okay? Parang nagkakaroon na ng clarity, parang klaro na sa kanya ang sitwasyon ng relationship. Someone is waiting na ma-develop pa sana into, parang magle-level up, next level na sana yung relationship. But then, merong pagdadalawang isip, okay? Okay. For some, kailangan ng continuous, kailangan, kung may nagawa mang kasalanan, okay, kailangan mo i-prove sa person mo na you still want the relationship, okay, kailangan i-nurture pa. Merong clarity for that, merong pag-uusap tungkol dyan, ano yung mga tamang gawin or dapat gawin para makapag-reconcile, maibalik yung dati, okay? Okay. So, kung gusto pa na i-continue ang relationship, yung dalawang parties or both parties talagang dapat mag-effort na para i-nurture pa at mag-grow pa further ang inyong relasyon. Okay? Merong phase sa inyong relationship na kailangan mag-end. It's because kailangan ng improvement. Okay? That is for some of you. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng messages from the Lover Oracle. Random messages for Libra. Libra. I cannot handle your love. Okay. I want to be different. Oh. Tapos painful memories. I cannot take it anymore. And why can't I tell you the truth? So take what resonates, Libra, para sa'yo. Ito yung mga messages na lumalabas for Libra. Thank you so much sa panunood and see you on the next video. Bye!